Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look so tired? Even when I'm not. You've tried the creams, the serums, maybe even the collagen powders, but your glow, still missing. What if the real reason your skin is aging faster than it should isn't stress or lack of sleep, but a silent vitamin deficiency that's working against you from the inside out? I'm not talking about hype or miracle solutions. I'm talking about real science-backed vitamins that dermatologists quietly rely on, but almost no one talks about. And here's what most people don't know. When your body has the right 6 vitamins, you can reduce wrinkles, brighten dull skin, and restore firmness. Naturally. No needles, no filters, no expensive skincare. But if you're missing even one of these, you could unknowingly be speeding up your aging process. In this video, I'll walk you through all 6 step-by-step what they are, how they work, and the results people are seeing without the guesswork. And make sure to stay till the end, because the last vitamin on this list is the most underrated of all. It could be the reason your skin just hasn't bounced back no matter what you've tried. If you care about staying radiant, confident, and glowing at any age, hit that subscribe button now. Let's unlock your skin's full potential, starting right now. If there's one vitamin in skincare that deserves a cape, it's retinol, also known as vitamin A. They call it the skin's superhero. And honestly, that title fits perfectly, because every night while you sleep, retinol works like a microscopic construction crew, quietly rebuilding your skin from the inside out. It speeds up cell turnover. It replaces dull, tired skin with new, fresh layers, and the result, smoother texture, fewer wrinkles, and that just had a facial glow without ever stepping into a spa. But don't just take my word for it. A study from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that retinol can visibly reduce wrinkles in as little as 12 weeks. That's not hype, that's science. Here's how retinol boosts collagen production. The protein that keeps your skin elastic, plump, and youthful. Think of your skin like a trampoline. Collagen is the spring, and retinol, it's what keeps those springs tight and bouncy. Without it, the trampoline starts to sag, and so does your skin. But here's something most people don't realize. Retinol's power isn't limited to your skin. It also helps your vision, supporting the retina in your eyes, and it strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight off infections. So yes, retinol helps you look better, but it also helps you feel better. It's beauty and wellness in one smart nutrient. So how do you actually use it? If you're going topical, look for serums or creams with 0.25% to 1% retinol. Start every other night, then increase slowly as your skin adapts, and always use sunscreen the next morning. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Prefer a natural route? Try adding it to your plate. Carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, all packed with vitamin A. Oh, and here's a little humor to remember it. By eating your veggies might just keep you from looking like one. No more prune face. So that's our first anti-aging hero. And now let's talk about his sidekick, the vitamin that deserves its own action movie soundtrack, ascorbic acid, or what most of us know as vitamin C. Vitamin C is your skin's bodyguard. Swift, silent, fiercely protective. It defends your skin against free radicals, pollution, and sun damage before they leave a mark. But protection is just the beginning. Vitamin C brightens dull skin, evens out skin tone, boosts collagen synthesis, and according to the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, it can visibly reduce fine lines and discoloration with consistent use. So it protects and repairs. That's double duty, and your skin loves it. And just like retinol, vitamin C helps your whole body too. It strengthens immunity, supports iron absorption, and keeps your gums and teeth healthy. When you apply that serum or bite into that orange, you're fueling beauty from the inside and out. So how do you use it? Topically, look for a serum with 10% to 20% vitamin C. Apply it in the morning, right after cleansing before moisturizing. And be consistent. This is a show-up every day kind of vitamin. Diet-wise, think colorful citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Vitamin C is hiding in all those vibrant, delicious foods. Here's a fun fact to wrap this up. Back in the 18th century, sailors carried limes and lemons on long sea voyages to prevent scurvy, a deadly vitamin C deficiency. Today, we're not battling scurvy, we're battling skin dullness. So yeah, your next fruit salad, that's your skincare from the kitchen. And speaking of protection, the next vitamin we're about to cover. It's like a hydration specialist and healing coach in one. Stick with me because your skin's best friend is up next. Let's talk about the vitamin that doesn't just support your skin, it sticks by it through thick and thin. I'm talking about tocopherol, or as it's more commonly known, vitamin E, affectionately nicknamed the best friend. Why? Because it always has your back. Whether your skin's dealing with dryness, irritation, or just the everyday effects of aging, vitamin E steps in like a comforting, hydrating hug, calming inflammation, locking in moisture, and making everything feel just a little bit better. Tocopherol is a potent antioxidant, which means it protects your skin from the inside out by fighting off oxidative stress that's the silent damage caused by pollution, UV rays, and even poor diet. Left unchecked, oxidative stress leads to premature aging, fine lines, and dullness. But vitamin E neutralizes those harmful free radicals, giving your skin the space it needs to heal and thrive. Studies published in the Journal of Dermatological Science highlight its role in improving skin moisture retention, texture, and elasticity, making it a non-negotiable in any anti-aging routine. And it doesn't stop with the skin. Tocopherol also supports heart health, helps prevent macular degeneration in your eyes, and boosts immune function so your body is better equipped to fight off illness and inflammation. In other words, vitamin E isn't just good for your face, it's good for your life. That's why I call it the kind of best friend that's always thinking 2 steps ahead for you. So how do you give your skin this kind of loyal support? Look for topical products with 0.5% to 1% alpha tocopherol, which is the most active form of vitamin E. Bonus tip, pair it with vitamin C for amplified benefits. These two work together like a dream team, strengthening your skin barrier while boosting brightness and bounce. Prefer the nutritional route. Load up on nuts, seeds, avocados, and leafy greens like spinach. These foods are rich in vitamin E and easy to sneak into smoothies, salads, or snacks. Let me put it this way. Adding vitamin E to your life is like upgrading from a basic moisturizer to a full-on bodyguard that also brings snacks. It hydrates it, protects it, heals, and it's just getting started. And speaking of protection, the next vitamin is literally made by your skin under sunlight, and it might just be the key to unlocking deeper hydration and a firmer, more youthful look. Stick with me because vitamin D is up next, and it's one your skin can't make miracles without. Now, let's talk about a vitamin that your body can actually make on its own with a little help from the sun. Meet cholecalciferol, more commonly known as vitamin D, and nicknamed the sunshine vitamin. Why the name? Because just like a beautiful sunny morning, vitamin D brings light, warmth, and vitality to your skin and to your overall health. In fact, it's like bottled sunlight, working behind the scenes to keep your skin youthful, resilient, and glowing. Vitamin D is crucial for skin elasticity, hydration, and barrier function. That means it helps your skin retain moisture and stay firm while protecting it from environmental damage like UV rays and pollution. Studies in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology show that adequate vitamin D levels can actually improve skin's moisture retention and reduce the appearance of fine lines and dryness. And that's just on the surface. Vitamin D also regulates the skin's immune response, reducing inflammation and supporting healing from the inside out. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Vitamin D doesn't just support great skin, it strengthens bones, boosts your immune system, and may even help protect against certain cancers and autoimmune conditions. It's a multi-layered defender, and it plays a big part in making sure your body is strong, balanced, and full of energy, just like your skin should be. To harness the full benefits of the sunshine vitamin, spend 10 to 30 minutes in the sun a few times a week, depending on your skin tone and location. But always wear sunscreen to protect against overexposure. Can't get outside much, vitamin D3 supplements are a great alternative. And of course, add it to your plate, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified foods like cereal and orange juice, and good old egg yolks are all excellent dietary sources. A sunny-side-up breakfast isn't just tasty, it's skincare in disguise. So the next time you're tempted to hide from the sun, just remember, moderate sun exposure fuels your skin's natural glow, and vitamin D is a powerful part of that. And speaking of glow, our next vitamin is one of the most underappreciated players in the beauty game. It's key to reducing dark circles, firming skin, and strengthening bones. Coming up next, vitamin K, and trust me, you'll want to hear why it's the quiet MVP in your anti-aging strategy. Let's shine the spotlight on a vitamin that rarely makes headlines, but quietly works behind the scenes to transform your skin from tired to toned. Say hello to vitamin K, the unsung hero of the anti-aging world. It might not get the hype of retinol or vitamin C, but make no mistake, vitamin K is essential for skin firmness, smoothness, and that youthful, rested appearance we all crave. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps your skin's structure in place, holding everything up and preventing sagging as you age. Vitamin K is particularly effective at reducing dark circles, bruising, and discoloration. According to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, topical vitamin K significantly reduces under-eye darkness and improves blood flow around delicate capillaries. It works by strengthening blood vessel walls and enhancing circulation, meaning less leakage, less puffiness, and a more even skin tone overall. If you've ever struggled with stubborn under-eye shadows or redness that won't quit, vitamin K could be the missing link. But its benefits go deeper, literally. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health, helping regulate calcium in the body, so it goes to the bones where it belongs and not the arteries where it causes harm. This not only protects against fractures, but also plays a role in heart health by preventing calcification of blood vessels. So yes, the same vitamin that brightens your eyes can also protect your skeleton and your cardiovascular system. Who knew such a low-profile nutrient could have such high-impact benefits? So how can you make the most of this quiet powerhouse? For topical use, look for eye creams or serums specifically formulated with vitamin K. Apply them gently under the eyes and to areas prone to discoloration. It takes consistency, but the payoff is real. Want to support it through your diet? Load up on leafy greens like kale and spinach, and consider adding fermented foods like natto if you're feeling adventurous. These are vitamin K-rich superfoods your skin and bones will thank you for. And here's a fun twist. If Popeye had known about vitamin K, he probably wouldn't have just been strong. He'd have glowing, wrinkle-free skin too. So if spinach can power up your muscles and your complexion, why not make it a regular part of your beauty routine? And speaking of multitasking magic, the next vitamin on our list is a true all-rounder. It hydrates, heals, protects, and might just be the secret weapon hiding in your pantry. Stick around, because vitamin B3 is up next, and it's a game changer. Let's wrap up this glow-up journey with a true powerhouse niacin, or vitamin B3, known affectionately as the multitasker. And trust me, it earns that title. Whether your skin is dry, irritated, aging, or all of the above, niacin is like a skincare Swiss Army knife, tackling a little bit of everything and doing it all incredibly well. If vitamin E is your skin's best friend, niacin is your full-on in-house spa team, quietly working to restore elasticity, strengthen your skin barrier, and reduce inflammation all in one go. Niacin, particularly in the form of niacinamide, helps build keratin, a key protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. It improves elasticity, smooths out fine lines, and boosts hydration by strengthening the skin barrier, helping your skin retain moisture. According to the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, regular use of niacinamide significantly improves skin texture, reduces wrinkles, and makes skin appear smoother and more supple. Imagine getting the results of a facial every day without leaving your house. What makes niacin even more amazing is its anti-inflammatory magic. It calms redness, reduces acne flare-ups, and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It's ideal for anyone dealing with irritation, blotchiness, or even rosacea. But the benefits don't stop at the skin. Internally, niacin supports healthy metabolism, converting food into energy, and helps maintain heart and brain function. There's even research exploring its potential role in protecting against Alzheimer's, making this multitasker a must-have for long-term wellness, not just short-term glow. For topical use, go for serums or moisturizers with 2 to 5% niacinamide, gentle enough for daily use, but strong enough to get noticeable results. Apply it after cleansing and before moisturizing to allow maximum absorption. And yes, your pantry might already hold the secret to smoother skin. Salmon, turkey, peanuts, oats, and whole grains are all rich in vitamin B3. It's a perfect excuse to reach for that salmon avocado bowl or peanut butter smoothie. Here's the truth. Great skin isn't just about what you put on the surface. It's also about what you feed your body and how you support it from within. Niacin gives you both, so whether you're looking to brighten your tone, smooth your skin, or just give yourself a daily boost of radiance and resilience, this vitamin has your back. And now that we've covered all 6 glow-inducing nutrients, don't go just yet. Let's quickly recap everything you've learned and help you build your ultimate skin vitamin game plan. And there you have it, 6 secret vitamins that can help you look and feel years younger naturally. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We started with retinol, or vitamin A, the skin's superhero-boosting cell turnover and smoothing out fine lines. Then came ascorbic acid vitamin C, the ultimate bodyguard that brightens, protects, and firms your skin. Next, tocopherol vitamin E, your skin's best friend, hydrating and healing from the inside out. We followed with cholecalciferol vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin that supports hydration, elasticity, and defense. Then we met vitamin K, the unsung hero reducing dark circles and strengthening skin structure. And finally, niacin, or vitamin B3, the multitasker that soothes, firms, and energizes both your skin and your body. Each of these vitamins plays a unique role, whether it's boosting elasticity, restoring your natural glow, improving hydration, strengthening your skin's structure, or offering powerful protection from within. Now the question is, which one will you start with first? Will it be retinol, vitamin C, or maybe niacin hiding in your pantry? Your skin is a reflection of how you treat your body, so give it the love it deserves. And if today's video gave you new insight or inspiration, go ahead and like, share, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which of these vitamins you're excited to try, or if you've already seen results from any of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more radiant health and beauty tips delivered straight to you every single week. This is your journey to glow, and I'm so glad you're on it. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and keep nourishing your beauty from the inside out.